Hey guys, I'm at my aunt's house right now, and she has this big yard, and there's a school right in front of her house. So we're gonna go up to the road because I'm 9 and here's Corbin 08, which he's 10, and so
we see the paranormal activity of
yeah. Yep. After the boy who has been in karate for 5 years, we're gonna. Here's the school. It's not a big one. I think it's a high school. Not too sure. I'm gonna have to ask my aunt. Huh? Guess what? Go up and look at it. Evidently, we found a shiny thing up here. Oh, it's just foam. Okay. And so, there's another house. Oh my gosh, we just heard something. Okay. So, let's go back up. This time, if we hear anything, we're going to investigate. Dang, look at this rock.
Ow. Don't come this way. It's very bad. Look at the stuff.
Yeah, so we were just wanting to discover. Corbin 08 has been to this house almost 3 times. And I've been to this house longer than him, of course, because this is my aunt here. I'll pick it up.
Eagles Landing, boys and girls.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's run across the yard. Hey, Corbin, you see that?
Probably just the United States.
Oh yeah, it is. Me too. We're gonna discover over here. What? Okay. American flag. Let's put that back up.
The American never falls.
Yep. You know what the American flag is and it's supposed to be on the ground? Okay, let's go.
The start of World War II. The bombing of the Pearl Harbor.
Yeah.
All flags of the American flag are supposed to say in the
Hey,
middle.
Corbin, one time I found $5 over here.
Yeah, I know that. I was over here.
Yeah. Over here. Watch for snakes.
Oh God.
Cause dude, my dad, he hunts down here, and there's some bobcats and everything over here.
We found bobcats over here.
Like there's coyotes and everything, but we're not scared because Corbin 08 right there, he has a freaking bat. And now we're walking up to our trampoline.
Oh, it is a tiny bat. And you can see what our cousin did to it.
Our cousin did that. He put dents all in it.
Wait,
Here's the basketball. I don't know if you could see us, but yeah. Let's get close to the trampoline. There's an ant pile.
Wait, where's the ant pile right here?
Look, trampoline right here.
Put the phone in the ant pile. Move, somebody hit it.
Dang, look at that mark he put in it.
Want to see some more?
Hey Corbin, let's go see what's over here. Come on. My dad goes into these woods right
Hopefully
here.
we don't die before Christmas Eve.
Yeah. Cause tonight is Christmas Eve. Like, it's about 7 o'clock already. Yeah, no. Not yet. It's 7:08. It's 8 after 7.
There's usually a coyote like right down there.
Yeah. One time we found a cat down there.